Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're taking apart the front end on Gus's pw50 and prepping it for new bearings and races, because we bought this bike a few days ago and the front end is just extremely loose, so we need to check that out. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe and stay tuned for part 2, because in part 2, these parts get powder coated and I also get a haircut. So, yeah, you guys should come check that out.